This is a used 2009 Audi S4, powered by all-wheel drive, 8-cylinder engine. With fewer than 15,000 miles, this vehicle has a long road ahead. The features include a power convertible top, leather seats, heated seats, Bluetooth connectivity, Sirius XM satellite radio, dual temperature controls, automatic climate control, tilt and telescopic steering wheel, an alarm system, power seats. Safety was made a priority with these features: xenon headlamps, side airbags, independent suspension, brake assist, traction control, stability control, a passenger airbag, low tire pressure warning, front ventilated disc brakes, daytime running lights. Rest easy knowing this vehicle comes with a Carfax Vehicle History Report from Carfax, the most trusted provider of vehicle history information. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today.